Good evening, seekers of happiness. Tonight we're looking at how to relax your mind, which is one of the many tools we have in our equipment to cope with and deal with stress. And I've spoken many times of the breathing exercise as the mind part as well. Now, there are several ways of doing this. One of them is to focus on one thing. And you will get random thoughts. I mean, this is your subconscious doing what it's made to do, which is to try and keep your brain focused on the environment around you and all possible dangers, including those from your past and in the future. So that is keeping you alert, a state of battle readiness, if you want to use a dramatic expression like that. And what we want to do is make ourselves calm down. And I'm not going to call this meditation, I'm just going to call this focusing, okay? It is a form of meditation, but when you haven't got, say, 12 minutes or 15 minutes and a nice quiet or out of the way spot where you're not going to be disturbed, sometimes you need to be able to do this. And the techniques are as simple as, they get more complex, but the first and most simple one is to just stop, take a deep breath and count to 10. That old one, yes. You know why it's an old one? Because it works. Yeah, something is bothering you. It might be that it's about to annoy the heck out of you, or it might be that it's like that noise in Psycho, going on in your head. The alarm bells, as it were. You just count 1, internally 2, 3, 4. This gives, while you're concentrating on that, this gives the rest of your physiology time to just calm down. Those 10 seconds, and do it slow. Don't go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, because that's kind of, it's being a clever clogs, and you are deliberately trying to sabotage the process if you do that. Or not you personally, your subconscious is. Don't let your subconscious assume control. This is one time when your frontal lobes, your prefrontal, whatever it is, your prefrontal cortex, I think it is, it's got to be in charge. 1, 2, 3, it's longer than a second. It's basically a 20-second count. That gives you time to recalibrate, to reset, to regain your cool so that you can deal with whatever it is bothering you. That's number one. The second one, you're going to need a quieter place. And frankly, if you can get to a restroom, just get in the cubicle, lock it, lock the world out. You don't have to sit down or anything like that. I realize it might be stinky, but that ain't the point. And the point is to take a few kind of relaxing the shoulders, letting the strain and the tension in your face drain away. If you necessary, clench the fist and release it a few times. Clench the fist and clench the forearm and release it a few times. And feel the tension, breathe out. Concentrate on breath going in, breath going out, breath going in, breath going out, breath going in, breath going out, breath going in. Just concentrate on that, and the mere fact that you are concentrating on it will relax you. Now, if there are any random thoughts, what I want you to do is acknowledge the thought and just say, yeah, yeah, yeah. Not in a sarcastic way, but yeah, 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 okay, I got it. Bye-bye. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got it. Bye. Let me do this. This is more important. Go back to breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. This is not a pure relaxation exercise in order to recharge your batteries. This is simply to get a little bit of thinking space in a situation which you are finding critical at the moment. It could be the workplace, it could be at home, middle of an argument, middle of kids having an argument with each other and not being reasonable. It could be that you find that something's got completely out of control. It doesn't matter what the situation is, the fact is you are feeling stress, and this is a way of just finding the calm space in the middle of the storm. So you can get out there and you've got a perspective on the storm, to continue that image, and you can begin to see what needs to be done in what order in order to calm things down and to get through and to win this particular short-term battle. Okay, that's it for today. If you found this useful, there's a like button. I'd appreciate it. It'll help me a lot if you just give it a little click. And if you want to subscribe, that'll be even better. And I'll see you tomorrow. We'll talk about other relaxation, how to relax the mind techniques tomorrow.